Silver is charging towards $70 an ounce right now. On Thursday, the 27th of August 2026, spot silver trades near $69.50, up 2.74% on the day, within a weekly range of $67.35 to $70. It has tested 70 several times without a decisive breakout. The all-time high was $121.67 on the 29th of January, so silver is still 42% below that peak despite a 21% gain in the past month. The question is whether one speech can stop this momentum. The risk is Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh, speaking at Jackson Hole on Friday the 28th of August. Warsh is a hard money hawk, meaning he prioritizes fighting inflation over supporting growth. At the July policy meeting, he stressed the central bank's commitment to bringing inflation down to the 2% target. We saw this in January. After President Trump nominated him as Fed chair, silver collapsed more than 10% to around $104, one of the worst single-day drops in decades. Now traders fear a repeat. The US PCE inflation data released on Wednesday showed prices rose 3.7% year-on-year, still above the Fed's 2% target. Cleveland Fed President Beth Hammack even said now is the time to act. That matters because silver pays no interest, so higher rates make holding it more expensive. Rate expectations explain the pressure. The CME FedWatch tool shows a 62% chance the Fed holds in September, but a 70% chance of a hike by December. A stronger US dollar then makes silver more expensive for foreign buyers. OCBC strategists say the dollar could find support if Warsh reaffirms his commitment to returning inflation to 2%. The dollar firmed after the PCE data, and silver has struggled to hold above 70. This rally is running on momentum, not broad conviction. If Warsh turns hawkish, that support could vanish quickly. Looking ahead, Friday's speech is the swing factor. If Warsh signals rates stay higher for longer, expect a move lower. First support sits near $67.35, the bottom of this week's range, and a hawkish surprise could open a slide towards 65. If he sounds more flexible, silver might finally break above 70 and build a base. But the December hike probability above 70% makes the bullish path harder. Watch his language on inflation and any mention of forward guidance, because he has so far avoided specific forward guidance. Gold is already cautious, struggling around $4,600 as the dollar firms, and silver tends to be even more volatile. The takeaway is that $70 is a psychological battleground between momentum and monetary policy. Silver's monthly gain is impressive but fragile. January proved how quickly a hawkish Fed chair can trigger a crash. If you trade silver, watch Warsh's tone, the dollar, and December rate odds. A single sentence from Jackson Hole could outweigh weeks of price gains. For now, silver is charging towards 70, but the Fed has the power to slam the brakes.